All right, new mobile home buyers, let's check out this giant, affordable 4-bed, 2-bath, 1,800 square foot house, one take, no edits. All right, so here's the house. It is called the Prime. It is 1,800 square feet. This is your walk-in entrance. This is your primary bedroom, your primary bath, large walk-in closet, giant utility room where would also kind of work as a pantry. You have your kitchen area. You have your surfaces here. A second family room. So this is one of those double den, double living room configurations. You have this bedroom, Jack and Jill situation here with the shared bathroom, and then another bedroom. This is your fourth bedroom. So you can have either a huge dining room table, or you can just go with the second family room, one for you, one for the kids. Watch the Super Bowl. All right, so let's go to the 3D space. Like I said, we saw the floor plan already. Let's do the virtual tour. All right, so when you walk in, this is when you walk into the house, okay? Here is your front door. You walk in, you have your open floor plan, okay? You come into the kitchen area. Here's your kitchen. Here is your pantry area, your washer dryer area, and the back door is here, okay? You're in your kitchen now. Appliances included. There's your dinette. That looks like a 4-seater, could be a 6-seater. You head back this way, and you have your second den. Look at this glamorous, awesome furniture. Seems a little dated. All right, so now we have this large bedroom with a closet, and then you have your Jack and Jill situation. Bedroom here, and then we have one right here. All right. This house is 1,800 square feet. 1,800 square feet. It's a giant house. It's in the 140s also, so it's a very affordable giant house. If you need space, you have the kids, you want the guest room, you want the office, this is the house for you. All right, now we're going to come this way. Here's the primary, and the primary bath is right here. Everything you need, double vanity, large closet. Again, this house is in the 140s, and it's a sweet house. I mean, it's priced like a starter house. It is very affordable. You get tons of space, and obviously you can have all of the furniture that your heart desires. I might go a little more modern with this one, but this is what we got here. So 4-bed, 2-bath, in the 140s. My name is Jesus. I'm located in Upstate, South Carolina. Give me a text below in the either in the description or the link. Shoot me a text and see you in the next one. Bye bye.